In this video, we will look at some of the best laser levels on AliExpress. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5. Pracmanu Laser Level 12 Lines. Pracmanu Laser Level 12 Lines, 3D Laser Level Self-Leveling Horizontal and Vertical Cross Super Powerful Green Beams. The Pracmanu Laser Level 12 Lines is a powerful tool designed for precision and ease of use. This laser level is equipped with self-leveling capabilities, making it suitable for both horizontal and vertical applications. High precision and accuracy. The Pracmanu Laser Level 12 Lines offers high precision with an accuracy of plus or minus 2 mm per 10 meters. This ensures that your measurements are consistently accurate, making it an ideal choice for tasks that require meticulous alignment. Self-leveling function. This laser level features a self-leveling function, which simplifies the setup process and ensures that your lines are perfectly straight. This is particularly useful for projects that demand both horizontal and vertical leveling. Powerful green beams. The Pracmanu laser level emits powerful green beams that are highly visible, even in bright conditions. This enhances the usability of the tool in various lighting environments, making it versatile for different types of projects. Compact and durable design. With a compact size of 12,663,100 millimeters, the Pracmanu laser level is easy to handle and transport. Its robust construction ensures durability, allowing it to withstand the rigors of regular use on job sites. Number 4. WMWZM High Precision Laser Level Instrument. High Precision 360 degrees Self-Leveling Laser Level Instrument with 3000 mAh battery. High Power Green Laser 3D/4D 12/16 Lines Laser Vert. With advanced laser level technology, TLXSNB is dedicated to providing solutions for a wide variety of applications, ensuring greater accuracy and convenience. Here is a detailed review of the WMWZM High Precision Laser Level Instrument. High precision and accuracy. The WMWZM High Precision Laser Level Instrument offers exceptional horizontal and vertical accuracy, making it an ideal choice for projects that require precise measurements. With an accuracy of plus or minus 1/9 inch at 33 feet, it ensures your work is always aligned correctly. Self-leveling capability. The 360 degrees self-leveling feature of this laser level instrument makes it incredibly convenient and time-saving. It can automatically adjust to the right level within a 4 degrees range, ensuring your lines are always straight and accurate. Long battery life. Equipped with a powerful 3000 mAh battery, this laser level can operate continuously for 6 hours with all laser beams active. This long battery life is perfect for extended work sessions without needing frequent recharges. Number 3. Honminda 16 Lines 4D Laser Level. 16 Lines 4D Laser Level Green Line, Self-Leveling 360 Horizontal and Vertical Super Powerful Laser Level Green Beam Laser Level. The Honminda 16 Lines 4D Laser Level is a versatile and powerful tool designed for precision and ease of use in various construction and decoration tasks. Bright and slender light. The strong green light provides a fine line that is not blurred, offering more accurate and powerful penetration, even clear in direct sunlight. High precision. Number 2. Tripod Nivel, a laser 16 lines laser level. Tripod/Nivel, a laser 16 lines professional laser level green line, self-leveling 360 auto-nivelant. The Tripod/Nivel, a laser 16 lines laser level, is a professional-grade tool designed for high precision and ease of use. With its self-leveling capabilities and 360-degree coverage, this laser level is ideal for a variety of construction and alignment tasks. Here is a detailed review of its features and specifications. High precision and accuracy. Number 1. LFINE Nivel Laser Professional Laser Level. LFINE Nivel Laser Professional Laser Level 12/16 Lines Automatic 360 degrees Self-Leveling Laser Levels Horizontal Vertical Levels Tools. The LFINE Nivel Laser Professional Laser Level is a high-precision tool designed for a wide range of applications, offering both horizontal and vertical leveling capabilities. Here is a detailed review of its features and specifications. 4D 16 lines professional laser level. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you like this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like. And if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.